Are you looking for the best welding helmets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best welding helmets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 3M Speedglas 9100. Overall, the Speedglas 9100 have everything you need in a welding helmet. It might be a bit heavy and you may have to make periodic adjustments for comfort, but the pros clearly outweigh the cons. With 2 different memory modes and an auto-on feature, this mask makes welding a breeze. If you're looking for the best welding helmet on the market in 2025 and you're not overly concerned about price, you won't find many better contenders than the 3M Speedglas 9100. It will set you back almost $500, but it's packed full of features that will make your welding tasks easier and safer. This helmet is light years ahead of most of its competitors. It has an easy-to-use auto-darkening filter, it has external controls for easy access, you have the option of 2 different memory modes for ease of use, and it has an auto-on feature so you can quickly start up with the last setting you used. The 9100 is also equipped with side windows for expanded peripheral vision. We did have a couple of concerns with this helmet. The underlying headgear does have a tendency to loosen over time, so you may have to make adjustments from time to time. Also, the mask will get marked up with continuous use and it can be difficult to clean. It's also a little on the heavy side for a helmet in this price range. Auto darkening filter. Easy access external controls. 2 different memory modes. Auto on feature. Side windows. Headgear loosens over time. Difficult to clean. A little on the heavy side. Number 2. Lincoln Electric Viking 3350. There were a lot of things we liked about this Viking 3350 K3034-4 model welding mask. It may not be the best option for cold weather use, but for indoor work, it's hard to beat. This helmet is great value for the money. If you're looking for a combination of great features and a great price, the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 welding helmet is a great choice. It also happens to be our pick for the best auto-darkening helmet currently on the market. At just under $300, it's a great deal on a professional quality product that will provide years of use for the welder. With 4C lens technology, you get a sharp and crisp view of your weld while you work. The colors are vivid and precise, and the extra-large auto-darkening lens enhances your field of view. This helmet is also designed with comfort in mind. The weight is evenly distributed across 6 contact points, which reduces pressure on the wearer and makes for a more comfortable experience overall. On top of that, this mask is backed by a 3-year warranty. On the negative side, if you're doing a bit of outdoor welding, you may experience a little too much glare when using this helmet. It will tend to fog up in cold weather as well, so you may have to remove your mask from time to time to clear the display, which can be frustrating. Under $300. 4C lens technology. Extra large lens. Auto darkening. 3-year warranty. Glare when used outdoors. Tends to fog up in cold environments. Number 3. YesWelder 302C. For the price, the YesWelder 302C is a solid choice. They could improve on the comfort level for the wearer and tweak its performance in low light conditions, but overall it's a good mask. For anyone looking for a quality welding helmet that doesn't break their budget, you won't find any better options than the YesWelder 302C. This is a high-tech piece of equipment and you won't generally pay more than $150 for it, and it still has all of the features you'd expect in a commercial mask. This is an auto-darkening helmet with true color optical. It's also equipped with side windows for a 180-degree field of view. This makes it easier to perform welding tasks accurately, safely, and quickly. You won't have to change the batteries frequently either, as it's designed for extra long battery life. One thing we didn't like about this helmet was its wearability. It's not the most comfortable helmet on the market. We also found it didn't always adjust to the lighting conditions right away, making it harder to use in dim light conditions. Priced under $150. Auto darkening. True color optical. Side windows for a better view. Long battery life. Not overly comfortable. Doesn't adjust well to low light. Number 4. Antra AH6-260. For a budget helmet priced under $50, the Antra AH6-260 is excellent value for the money. It does have some issues in terms of comfort, and it can be slow to adjust for different lighting conditions, but there aren't any major problems with this helmet when you consider how affordable it is. There aren't many quality welding helmets priced under $100, so we were quite surprised to find one under $50. The Antra AH6-260 performs surprisingly well for a budget welding helmet. It's safe to use and it has more features than you'd typically expect at this price point. Surprisingly, this is an auto-darkening helmet which you wouldn't expect at this price point. It uses a combination of solar and battery power depending on whether you're working indoors or outdoors. With this mask, you're also provided with an extra layer of neck protection to prevent injury from splatters. On the downside, this mask does feel a little bulky when you're wearing it. It isn't overly heavy, it just doesn't give a great fit. The only other complaint we have is with the auto-darkening feature. It can take an extra second or two for it to adjust. Priced under $50. Auto-darkening feature. Combination of battery and solar. Extra neck protection. A little bulky. Auto-darkening may take an extra second to kick in. Number 5. ESAB Sentinel A50. In spite of concerns about the power source for this helmet and the added expense of replacement masks, we still found a lot to like about the ESAB Sentinel A50. It has a comfortable ergonomic design and a true color touchscreen for precision work. The optional grind function is a nice feature as well. The ESAB Sentinel A50 is one of the best quality welding helmets on the market today. It typically retails between $350 and $400, so it's a bit on the expensive side, but it's also loaded with great options to make your welding jobs easier. If you're okay with spending a little extra, this mask is worth stretching the budget for. One thing we really love about this helmet is its ergonomic design. It fits the wearer like a glove, offering maximum comfort and mobility. It's also made from high-impact nylon, so it's very durable as well. The Sentinel A50 also features a color touchscreen with 8 separate memory settings. You get a grind option with this welding mask as well. One problem with this mask is that it runs on standard C batteries and you may find yourself switching them out often if you're using it a lot. Lens replacements can also be expensive for this helmet. Ergonomic and comfortable. Durable high-impact nylon design. Color touchscreen. 8 separate memory modes. Includes a grind option. Uses basic C batteries. Lens replacements are expensive.